Hello and welcome to my channel. Here in this video I'm gonna show you my print and paint of the Tuskan Raider model from Star Wars. It's a famous scavenger hunter type character, but let's have a look after the intro. So this model can be found in the video description, a link to it on the Gambody website. It's a quite nice model and I had good fun painting it. I was trying to get the colors right, the color scheme. It might be a little bit too bright maybe in this lighting, but I was trying to emulate screenshots from the movies. Its appearance is quite often always a creepy set of guys doing some scavenging and attacking people, but I want to show you some close-ups. So here it is. I tried to get the bandages on the head in like the darker color, and then the clothing. You can see the clothing is modeled in the model, so I didn't do any sanding on this model. It was just the cloth material would not benefit from the sanding. But you can see here the face and the eyes pieces and all that. So it's quite a model and can be found in the video description. So this was just a quick video of showing this model. I'm adding it to my collection of Star Wars models. You can see here behind me quite a number of Star Wars characters and spaceships, and it's an ever-growing collection. But this will be it for this video. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing here, and if you do, subscribe and leave a like and a comment and all that nice stuff. So for now, I thank you for watching.